Welcome back to my channel Digital Sprout. Dear viewers, this unboxing and review only for the guardians who has 3+ years child. In our childhood we have made different type of shapes by wheat dough, but this is a synthetic dough, totally safe and non-toxic Fun Dough mini fun pack, which is coming from the company Fun School. And inside the box there are total 6 colored dough, but you can make other colored dough by making one with the other according to the instruction written on the box pack. And the price of the product is written in the side of the box pack, that is 149, but I have got this only for 99 rupees from the Flipkart Big Billion Day. This is a really good and necessary product for the children. You can enhance the knowledge and cognitive skill by just using this Fun Dough. Now you can see total 6 colors: yellow, green, orange, red, white and blue. Nothing is there. I thought this will be some shapes will be there. Now see each and every container, the back of the container, there are some color code. The respective color code is written on the back of the container so that you can identify after using it. Now opening one by one, you can see how glossy dough are there. All colors are really vibrant and glossy, and after using it I think it will be dried some way. Somehow it will be dried off. So at that time just use drop by drop water and knead it very gently, then it will come back to the previous position. Now we are just opening this one from the container. These are really non-sticky. It will not stick in your hand. So knead it one after one. And now we are just making one fun butterfly, cartoon butterfly with this Fun Dough. And this is only for my baby, 3 years old baby. I have bought for him. So one by one we are making this one. So really it will be fun for the children. So thank you for watching my video. If you think video is helpful to you, don't forget to hit the like button, share my videos and subscribe my channel for next upcoming videos.